This is a newly launched 3D printing architectural model product, which is processed by resin. 3D printing combines accurate virtual 3D models with real entity objects. "3D Shaping has a professional technical team and a variety of 3D printing equipment, which can meet different production needs of customers, and can provide customers with a complete set of production solutions, from design to final product production." "3D printing makes your design concept real and visible. A 3D printed building model can truly and quickly express the ideas and sketches, so as to grab the best scheme.